Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nafizuddin, and today is Friday, March 14. 13th fasting has over, and now I'm going to recite the moon prayer, and I'm along with my mom here, and we are on Tesla in Dhaka. So, Allahu Akbar, Allahumma ahillahu alayna bil imani wal amani was salamati wat tawafiq lima tuhibbuta rabbuna wa rabbukallahu. Allah bless this moon, full moon, or they call it the red blood moon or whatever, but it's moon. So Allah bless this moon with security, faith, peace, and in Islam, and what pleases you and what our Lord Allah loves. Allah is our Lord and your Lord. And Jazakallahu khairan. So that is it. So we are on Tesla of Dhaka. বড় ভাই, এটার নাম রাখছি আমি টেসলা। খারাপ নাম রাখছি এখন টেসলা, যে ইলন মাস্কের টেসলা। এটাই তো সে টেসলা, ডান দিকে যান। So this is the Tesla of Dhaka.